All right, I got to get all those clothes in this bag to go to South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, and Botswana for 3 weeks. First of all, I have to tell you guys that this outfit I just made on a scale of 1 to 137 is like 1,000. So like I said, everything has to match with everything. So technically this is a sweater. This is from Italy, so I know it will be nice and cool because I got it when it was very hot outside. But also, the pants have to match with this as well. So maybe I want to wear it at home with the pants. For this, everything has to go together. This outfit I'm going to wear on the airplane so that it's stylish with my cowboy boots. Okay, I'm not taking this, but look how cute this is. I love this hoodie. I love it. It's cut, it's short, it's cute. It says Amsterdam, cute. But Amsterdam has to stay in Amsterdam, and I got this Mystic sweatshirt from South Africa. So this is the one I'm taking with me. Remember, everything has to fit with everything. So like, if I'm going surfing, I have something to wear after I surf so that I'm not cold. This is what you wear. Beach, perfect. I can also wear this with this long skirt because I'm in my color palette. This is what I mean. Everything matches with everything. Hello? That's so cute. Night shoes. Boom. 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 Remember, it's going to be 30 degrees. This is more for like when I'm camping and it can get dirty because it has, a pattern. What's also nice is if you take something to layer. Aww. This is so sweet. I look like Little House on the Prairie or something. I look like a fashionable maid. I look like Cinderella before she went to the ball. This is so tempting. It's so cute. It's so tempting. Yeecha. But I have this, and ultimately it's better because I'm going to be in the bush. I'm going to be camping for 8 days. So it's going to be much warmer here. In the mornings when you wake up and it's cold and you're just like, it's cold. I got to go brush my teeth. Other decisions include pajamas. I can either choose this set or this shirt, which I cut. But I'm going to choose this. Why? Because it matches with those pants, plus I need merch. I have this. That matches with this and also both of these. So now I got purple, pink, turquoise. I have 3 pairs of jeans, which are all acceptable because these 2 are both from Brazil. So I already know they're lightweight, perfect. And these are light, but I'm not going to take 3. I'm only going to take 1, and I'm going to end up taking black because you always need black, and I'm going to take a black tank top, so black on black. So then I have turquoise, purple, pink, black. These are out. I have more merch and also casual pants, linen I can wear camping. Now I have a very hard decision because this is a traditional summer kimono, which is very special from Kyoto. And this is a long cover-up, which of course matches in my theme with turquoise green and also the black on black, and every bathing suit can go under there, so I'll choose that. This can also get messed up because it's not as special. The next I have to choose is between these red jumpsuits and between these white dresses. I already know the white dress, the linen, can never go wrong with linen. Ooh, I don't know though. This is pretty nice. But this one still wins. Classic, comfortable. You can wear it to more things. Church. lunch. Things like this. You can wear it like this with a belt. I can wear it with more shoes. This I can wear at the beach, but it's actually a scarf, or I can sit on it for a picnic. This is gonna go in here. There it is. Everything's stacked up so I can see everything. Pajamas on top because I get there at 10 p.m. Boots and outfit for the airport, all black with outside and a scarf. House shoes.